How to remove block account in Messenger. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to unblock someone using your Messenger, of course. Now as you can see right now on our screen, I'm currently using Messenger, and all you need to do is to click on the menu over here on the top right and click on the settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see here under account setting. Simply select account setting and it will show up or open a pop-up of Facebook over here, and in this section scroll down once again over here, or rather, where is it? There we go. It's in the middle section, my bad. It's under audience and visibility. You will be able to see here blocking above active status. If you open that, you will be able to see here all the people that you have blocked before, and this is the section where you will be able to unblock them as well. There will basically be an option on the right section wherein you will be able to select and unblock someone. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.